Hi guys, this is De La Nation. Welcome back to my channel. I'm making this second tutorial of C++, and on this tutorial I will teach you to write your first C++ program, and then let me show you how to do it. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to the menu and click on File, and then on the File menu we're going to look for File, as you see there. And then here we're going to create a file where we're going to write our C++ program. So we're going to choose C/C++ source. So that will be where we're going to write our program. And then we're going to click on Go. Then on this window, we're going to click on Next. And then we're going to choose C++. And then click on Next. And then here we can give a name or the location of where we want our file to be, so we can I have a location already. We can just give a name. I'm gonna write hello world.cc. As you can see there, I start hello with a small letter, as you see, and then the world I put a cap letter, a big W. This is how I decided to make my file, but you can make it the way you want. And then I'm going to click on Save, and then I will click on Finish. So you should have this blank C++ or C++ source file. So this is the file where we're gonna write our C++ program. I'm just gonna ask you to type as I'm gonna show you on the screen. Just type exactly how I'm typing. Then on the next lesson after this one, I will explain to you what's happening line by line. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put the H sign there, and then we're gonna write include, and then we have to put a bracket, two bracket, and then we're gonna write IOStream, and then we're gonna click on enter twice, and then we're gonna write using name space, and then space, and then std, and then we're gonna put a semicolon. Just write exactly what I'm doing. I'm gonna put some space there. Don't worry about that. Just do how I'm doing. And then we're going to write int, and then we're gonna write main, and then open bracket, close bracket, and then I'm gonna use curly bracket. I'm gonna open them and close them, but it already did it for me. So I'm just gonna have the closing a bit down for me to have a space to write my program. So what we're going to do, we're gonna write COUT, and then we're gonna put two of those brackets. As you can see, those brackets are looking on according to the screen, it's gonna be on the left side of the screen. That's why it's looking. And then we're gonna have the quotes. As you can see, double quotes, we have one, and then we're gonna have another one to close, and then we're gonna put something between the double quotes. So we're gonna write hello world. This is my first program in C++, and then we're going, after that we're gonna put other two bracket, and then we're gonna write ENDL. Just write the way I'm writing, and then semicolon. And then after that we're gonna put we're gonna press enter again to make it a bit look nice, and then we're gonna write return space, and then put 0, and then semicolon. So if you type it exactly as it is, we're going to do something called compile. So we're gonna compile the program to check if our program doesn't have errors. So don't worry so much about some of the terms that I'm going to use now. I'm going to explain it to you later. So let us compile. We're going to go on this tool here, and then click on this wheel, on the yellow wheel, and then for it to compile the program. As you can see, if you look at here, if there is no problem, you see there is 0 error and there is 0 warning. So our program is fine, and then the executable has been created as well. As you can see, the hello.exe. So that will be our program. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna run the program. Our program normally should tell us show us what you see on this line here. Hello world, this is my first program in C++. So let's click, go back on that tool on the menu, and then we're going to click on this arrow that is pointing on the right side, saying run. So we're going to click it one time. We should normally have this black screen coming, and the black screen on the first line would be what we've written on C++. So it should normally say hello world, this is my first program. If you run it as it shows here, then congratulations, you've written your first program. To quit this thing, I'm gonna ask you guys to just press any key on the keyboard. So we're gonna press any key. As you can see, it's gone. So I'm gonna stop this video here. On the next one, I will explain to you what each line of this program means. See you on the next video. Take care. Bye.